Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
No, now this is big, guys. This is real big. I want to show you something, right? It just started snowing, right? And most cars do not have automatic daytime running lights. And even if you do, like this truck right here, it won't go on as fast because it's still light outside. But you're still supposed to put on your lights. So if your dash lights is not on, then your headlights are not on. You see them on. I have my lamps on. Alright? And look, it goes off. So it's off automatically. And automatically it's supposed to turn on. But for this reason, it's not dark enough. You gotta turn it on yourself. You have to turn it on yourself. Sorry. So you get the point. Turn on your lights in the snow, rain, or when it's dusk. Dusk is when the sun goes down.